Welcome back. In this class, you'll learn how to create a Facebook account. You also learn how to post on Instagram. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Facebook is a social networking site that makes it easy for you to connect and share with family and friends online. To create a Facebook account, follow these easy steps. 1. Go to facebook.com or download the Facebook app and click Create a new account. 2. Enter your name, email address or phone number, password, date of birth, and gender. 3. Click Sign up. 4. To finish creating your account, you need to confirm your phone number and email address. Once you're done, you can log in and start connecting with your friends. How to post on Instagram. Posting on Instagram is relatively straightforward. Here's a general guide. First, open Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. 2. Log in. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to log into your account. 3. Access the posting interface. Tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. This will take you to the posting interface. 4. Select a photo or video. Choose the photo or video you want to post from your device's library. You can also take a new photo or video using the Instagram camera. 5. Edit your photo or video. Instagram offers several editing options such as filters, brightness adjustments, and more. Edit your photo or video as desired. 6. Add a caption. Write a caption for your post. You can also add hashtags to make your post more discoverable. 7. Tag people. If your post features other Instagram users, you can tag them by tapping on Tag People and selecting the appropriate users. To add location, you can add a location to your post by tapping on Add Location and selecting a location from the list. To share to other platforms, if you want to share your posts on other social media platforms, you can do so by toggling on the options for Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr. To post your content, once you're satisfied with your post, tap Share to post it on your Instagram feed. Your post will now be visible to your followers. Remember to follow Instagram's community guidelines and respect other users' privacy when posting your content. To open Instagram, to log in, to access the posting interface, to select a photo or video, to edit your photo or video, to add a caption. I hope you've learned a lot. With this, we have come to the end of this class. See you in the next class.